Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows, but before jump to video, I invite you to join us with this useful informations and tricks channel. If you want to join us, just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I will show you by two methods. Let's start it. For example, if I want to uninstall those two apps, which names, the screen recorder and tenor share for you key, just go to your search bar and then search for apps and you will be able to see several options, but you just click on this apps and features option, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see all apps which install in your computer. So, you can search for the app that you want to uninstall. So as I tell you, I uninstalled the first app called Screen Recorder, which is this one. So just click on the app and then you will be able to see uninstall button, click it, which is going to give me this kind of window. I will just say yes. If the app that you want to uninstall have any uninstall a program, it's going to uninstall a program too. So just click uninstall button and you can see it says uninstalling and click next. As you can see, it says, completing Screen Recorder uninstalled. Screen Recorder has been uninstalled from your computer. Now you can close it. Now let's go to method 2. As before, go to search bar and search, control panel, then click on the uninstall programs. And then as you can see all apps, which is install on your computer, so I'm going to search the second app which name of tenor ship for you key. I get it, and double click. It will come uninstall button. Click it, and one message is pop up, which says, are you sure you want completely remove tenor share for you key and all of its component? Of course I want, so I just click on yes. Sometimes some apps move you to their websites for asking you why you uninstall the app. What is the reason? Give us feedback. Simply you can close it, and as you can see, tenor ship for you key was successfully removed from your computer. Now click OK. If you liked it, the video, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you put that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications.